Want to get rewards by using promo code in Angry Bird 2 but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get rewards by using promo code in Angry Bird 2. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the settings icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the promo code button which is at the right side of your screen. After that, enter the promo code. Now click on the submit button. And that's how you can get rewards by using promo code in Angry Bird 2. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.